Roger from the Old School Gun Shop here again today. We're going to talk about magazines. Factory magazines versus aftermarket magazines. We'll talk about some pros and some cons. Now you see here I have a couple of magazines. One would be a Glock factory magazine. You can tell from the packaging that that's Glock. The one we have here is a Pro Mag. It's always to your advantage to buy a factory mag when you can. Sometimes you don't have a choice about buying an aftermarket mag. We have guns that are out of production. We have requests for magazines that are not offered by the factory. So there will be times when you need to buy an aftermarket mag. Just be careful. There are pitfalls. Check with your seller. Always get a guarantee. People like Triple K offer a guarantee on their magazines. Sometimes it's a little trouble to send them back, but that's better than getting stuck with a $40 magazine. Magazines for some of your most common guns sometimes can be better off to buy the aftermarket magazine. Traditional and classic guns like the 1911 or the M16 AR-15 design, the aftermarket magazines that I show here are sometimes considered highly respected compared to the factory. Magpul. Anybody that shoots ARs shoots Magpul. Wilson, one of the top names in 1911 stuff. Here's a Remington factory mag, but most folks would choose the Wilson over the factory mag in this case. There are many magazines out there to choose from. Sometimes your local dealer won't have them. Oftentimes there will be magazines that we don't have here, and we do carry a pretty good selection. So you may choose to buy online. Make sure you know what you're getting. Manufacturers, models, and magazine capacity are things you're going to need to know. The more homework you do, the better chance you're going to get the right product the first time. Okay, there may be restrictions on magazine capacity where you live. So before you buy, always check. The state of California and I believe the state of Massachusetts have 10-round restrictions. Many states have no restrictions, so it's your job to find out what the restrictions are where you live. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember, in closing, factory magazines are generally the better advantage over aftermarket magazines. Sometimes that can be different as we explained in the video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Roger at the Shooter Service. Need to get a hold of me, get me through the website, shooterservice.com. Send me an email.